What if I told you in just 1 month, our community reported 46 grant awards, more than $3.18 million in grant funding alone, 26 new client wins, that means new money in their grant writing businesses, with more than $500,000 in their businesses in 1 month, May 2026. Let's break it down. Because those numbers are very impressive, but they're actually not the most interesting part. Because hidden inside this month's data from May 2026 actually shows several really meaningful trends that are happening in the grant writing industry right now. And if you're a nonprofit, if you're a business, if you're a municipality, if you're an organization that gets grants, and if you're a freelance grant writer or you're thinking about becoming one, you're gonna wanna know what's going on today. So let's see the trends in store that will dictate the rest of 2026. Let's get started. Before we start, I'm Holly Rustick. Welcome to the Grant Writing and Funding YouTube channel. And please subscribe so you get these updates every single month with our funded episode series. And we also release weekly episodes as well. All right, so let's get into it. Trend number 1, foundation funding is still leading the way in 2026. Across the 46 grants that got awarded in our programs in May 2026, a majority were family foundations, corporate foundations, etc. It wasn't just how many grants were awarded, it was who was funding them. We saw support from healthcare foundations, arts organizations, education funders, financial institutions, donor-advised funds, yes, DAFs included here, even local governments, yes, and of course, federal agencies. What this tells me is successful organizations aren't depending on just one funding source. They are diversifying, yes, in 2026 with their grant funds. They're building diversified portfolios, and that is a trend that is continuing. So let's look at trend number 2. Bigger grants are becoming more common even among foundation grants. The size of the awards really do stand out. May included multiple 6-figure grant awards, not just from federal agencies, but from foundations. This doesn't happen overnight. A lot of them happen because they're demonstrating measurable outcomes, financial planning, organizational readiness, and long-term impact. That's very important. One Academy member actually said that they were able to write a stronger application because they were able to look inside our program and get our master grant application template and learn how to write really good needs statement to include statistics and more. That really helped them stand out in their grant award, and they got it awarded. Amazing. All right, let's look at trend number 3. The business model of grant writing is changing. Thank God. And I've been saying this for years, and now y'all catching up. Let's switch gears into now how people actually got clients. Woo! So all you freelance grant writers out there, you were able to get more than $500,000 secured just in 1 month with client contracts. That's you actually get paid to write grants. So what happened? And here's what they're selling, not just grant writing. We've been telling you to be calling yourself a grant strategist. That is working. We're seeing that nonprofit organizations and just organizations overall, they're not just looking to hire grant writers right now. They're looking to hire people that also do funding strategy. And we saw this in our client sales this month. People sold grant readiness. They also sold funding strategies. They sold research, training, consulting, long-term retainers, ongoing partnerships. All of that is very, very important because it tells us that organizations are really looking for experts who know how to do more than just one task. They might know how to do a few tasks or like task stacking to really help the overall main goal of, for instance, get more funding. So when you're able to not just write grants and check the box, but you're able to look at it from a bigger angle and really be that strategist, that's so important. And that's what people really are hiring today and what they want. Trend number 4, confidence is driving revenue. Here's something I didn't expect to show up so consistently, and I'm seeing it almost every single month that I'm doing these, is confidence and how that confidence is actually translating into sales and into grants won. Over and over again, members are crediting our coaching that we're giving in our programs, our grant reviews, and so much more. And what that is doing is installing confidence. They're literally saying, the reason I got this awarded, the reason I made this sale is because of the confidence through the coaching, through the reviews. Literally, it is amazing. One member shared that pricing coaching helped them increase their rate by 4 times the amount that they were selling before. 4 times and they secured the client. Amazing. Another said the change statement completely transformed their sales strategy. And another described bringing a contract that we actually have a template for to the client sales call, and they were able to transform and get that client because of that sales contract. Think about it. Those aren't writing skills, those are sales skills. That's confidence. And really, those skills are becoming just as important as knowing how to write grants. Trend number 5. Relationships continue to win. Perhaps the strongest trend that we're seeing across every report is relationships. We saw repeat funders, renewal grants, returning clients, peer referrals. People are even getting subcontracting clients inside our programs. Those are based on relationships. Former colleagues then becoming clients. One Academy member attended an event and landed the client. The best marketing plan for freelance grant writers isn't necessarily chasing 1 million clients, it's chasing relationships and consistently building trust. So what does this mean? As I step back after seeing all this data that's been reported in our program in 1 month, what I see overall are really interesting trends. And what these trends are saying to the industry at large is that the industry is evolving. We are lifting up the grant writing industry step by step. And I'm so excited to be saying that because I've been doing this for more than 20 years and it's paying off. And we're really seeing the transformation in the last few years especially. So I'm so proud of all you grant writers out there, all the work that you do, and also bringing in the value for your community and for yourself. That is so important. Overall, we are seeing grant writers become strategists, just like I've been coaching you all. Consultants are building recurring revenue. Nonprofits and organizations are investing in long-term partnerships. And foundations keep investing in organizations that aren't just passionate, but that are prepared. That's where the grant writing industry is headed. So if you want to become a part of this, definitely check out all of our programs and all of our information and our newsletter inside the comments below. So overall, in May 2026, our community secured 46 grant awards that totaled $3.18 million. They also secured 26 client wins that secured more than $543,000. Amazing. Beyond the numbers though, every grant represents a community that is served or a cause area that is served, and that's amazing. Every client sale represents a nonprofit investing in its future, and every trend points to a profession that's becoming more strategic, more stable, more sustainable, and more influential than before. If you'd like to see next month's report, make sure you subscribe. All right, that's it. I'm Holly Rustick, and I'll see you in the next video.